Hey you all, it's me Jaleesa and I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing a voiceover. This is my first voiceover, so just please let me know how I did. I'm gonna try my best, but I will definitely list all the products in the description bar down below. So in this clip, I'm just taking the MAC Prep and Prime in Bright Forecast to just highlight under my foundation. It has a little bit of some glitter in it. I know when I put my foundation over top, it brightens it up. I use my fingers to blend this out. I just feel like it's more of an efficient way to blend out the primer. And right here, I am using the Black Radiance foundation in Brownie. It oxidizes and it has a red undertone, but I like the contrast between the colors that I use on my face. So right now I'm using the Black Radiance foundation in Mocha Honey to highlight my under eye. These colors blend very well. This is the color Butterscotch by Black Radiance, and these are all their foundations, guys. like I said, I like the way it blends together, so I use all their foundations to highlight and contour my face. My favorite sponge. I'm pretty sure this is the one from E.l.f. I just got it in Target. You guys, you just have to blend. You have to blend until everything looks as seamless as you would like it to look. So this is another Black Radiance foundation, yes guys, in Cocoa Bean, and I use this one to contour. You don't want any harsh lines on your face, guys. I take so much time out of doing my makeup and dedicate it to blending because you want everything to look super seamless. And this is also why I use all foundations by the same brand to highlight and contour my face. So now I am taking the Black Radiance contour palette, the light to medium, and I'm using the Sculpt and the highlighter colors, and I just, dug some of the powder out and I mixed them together. Right here, I'm using the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist Cream Palette in medium dark to highlight my brows. So it's an actual concealer, guys. And to do my brows, I use a gel by, well, I don't know who it's by, but it's from 5 and Below. And it has no name on it or anything. I think I showed it to you guys before, but yeah, it has no name or anything. It's just a plain black gel, not black. It's just a plain brown gel liner. It is the best that I have used so far. I love to work with it. This is the Summer Breeze palette by E.l.f. and I'm just starting this out as my transition color. I'm using it right over my crease. I just want a base color, something I can always come back to and blend. Well, I don't want my transition color to touch my brows, so this color really helps with that, and it's super light, so it brightens everything up. And I just go back and forth between all of those colors to make sure that everything is blended out. You just want to blend, 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 blend. I just wanted to put a matte color because I didn't really want too much of a shimmer look, because I know I do a lot of shimmer looks, so I wanted to try a matte look out this time. And guys, just blend, blend, blend. Make sure everything is just blended out. So I go in my nose with the 3 Steps to Sculpt palette from NYX, and this is in the color Deep, and I just contour my nose. You want to make sure everything is blended out. And I'm also using the 3 Steps to Sculpt palette in Deep to contour my face. The foundation helped a lot with the contour, so you don't really have to put a lot of powder on the face, but just enough so nothing will move, everything will stay in place. So yeah, just blend, 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 guys. Make sure everything is blended out, seamless, there are no lines. So right here, I'm taking the Makeup Mist and Set by E.l.f. to just make sure everything is super seamless. I feel like the spray, it really brings the entire face together. It makes everything pop. And boom, here are the lashes, guys. And I also went under my eyes and put just a black liner under them. And I took some black powder and put it under there as well. And I'm just highlighting right here, you all. Yeah, right here I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette, the one in medium to dark. And I'm just highlighting my face. I just used the highlighter in that palette to highlight my face. I feel like using your finger to highlight the nose is more efficient. I feel like you have more control over it. This is me being silly, guys. So right here, this is the best pencil ever. This is by Wet n Wild. These are the 99-cent liner pencils. And this, I believe, is Simmer Brown or Simma Brown, if I'm not mistaken. The words came off, but I get it from Target, and these are the best. It's such a nice, pretty brown. Usually I use them with my brows and things like that, but right now I'm using it to give myself a ombre lip. And I line a bit over my lip to make sure that my lips look fuller. It gives me a full look, and it looks really pretty when it's done. You guys will see. You guys will see. And you all, I am aware that my brows are not exactly the same. I had cut them myself and I messed them up. This is the lip gloss by Forever 21, High Shine and Oatmeal. And then this is the lip gloss from Buxom and Dolly. And I just used those two to help me with my ombre lip. And this is it, guys. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And listen, when you comment, just let me know what you think. And give me some more video ideas or makeup tutorials. I don't know. This stuff is super tight, but I have to go somewhere, so we're gonna thug it out today. But yeah, just comment and let me know. I mean, I've only posted, this is my 4th video, and 3 of them have been makeup tutorials. I really want to post this hair video, but I don't know how I feel about it. So let me spray some oil sheen on the head. Well, seriously. Did I mess it up? Yeah. Probably shouldn't have done that right here. I think I messed it up. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I love you all, and I will see you all in my next video.